In this tutorial, we're going to customize Runlyx, a website template for SaaS and AI businesses. Let's rename our project. Next, we should change the logo. Click on the desktop container, make sure that it is selected, and click on Edit under Template. Then click on the navbar component. Once you are inside the navbar, select the logo component and edit it. Select the layer named Icon. On the right panel under Styles, you can click on Fill Image to import your own logo. After that, we can head back to the home page. Each text container in this template is editable. Simply click on it and type in your words of choice. If you want to edit the username next to the animated word, select it and click Edit Component. Here you can select the username's text container and type in a different name. The same applies to the other usernames. These ones are not hidden inside a component though. We should make sure to set the proper destinations to the buttons. Click on them to change the link. Let's delete the Get Template button. Select the desktop container again and click on Edit under Template. Next, select the button. You can just delete it. Just like in the Hero section, each different section's text can also be edited by just clicking on it. Each change should update across all devices, but you should still always check if everything looks right. Let's customize the pricing cards. Double-click on them or click Edit Component when selected. You can see 3 variants of the pricing card. Always edit the first variant labeled Primary or Base. Again, everything can be clicked on and rewritten to your liking. Right now, we are only customizing the middle card of the website. The other cards are edited in the same way. Do not forget to also update the button links. The other variants should update automatically. It's important to just leave them untouched unless something looks off. They are just for the hover effect. Great, now we can move on to the FAQ section. Let's open the FAQ accordion. There are a lot of variants, as you can see. They represent the different accordion states. Just like the little guide on the left says, You should try to not make any changes to the variants except for the first primary variant. To set your own questions and answers, click on an element and customize its content. It's all text-based. Don't forget to update the final CTA button links. Change the text to your liking. You can also make changes to the keyboard component. For example, you can change the highlighted keycaps. Let's make some changes to the footer. You can just double-click. Double-click again. Write down your brand name here. By clicking on the social icons, you can insert the appropriate links. Don't forget to do that here too. You can decide which variant of the socials or if both should stay. Just delete the other container you don't need. There is a decent amount of other pages. All are edited in the same way, basically. Let's customize the contact page. Change the mail in the link here. Text can be edited just like anywhere else. Select the form container. Set a proper destination. Here you should also set a new link or delete the layer if you don't need it. Let's also take a quick look at the pricing page. There is this comparison table that should be updated. Again, everything can be clicked and rewritten. Duplicate the layers to add some more or delete some if there are too many. There is also a mobile variant. Make sure to apply the same changes to it. Let's work on the blog page next. Here are all the articles of the website. Each article has its own page. But how do we write our own articles? Click on CMS at the top. The blog collection lists all articles. Let's get rid of the placeholder articles. After clicking on New Item, you can fill out the fields of your new article. Everything should be self-explanatory here. Hit Save to complete your article. It will automatically add or list itself in the blog. Just looks a bit weird because of the missing image. The article page will add your content automatically as well. The Read More section below will list any article except for the one you're currently viewing, so you should at least have two or make the section invisible for now. The changelog page is also just text, basically. That's pretty much it. The pages I didn't show should be easy to customize as well. If you run into any problems or have questions, do not hesitate to contact us or comment below. Thanks for watching.